Boom. Now I just gotta set it up and then give it to get the smoothie again when I'm not talking about homework and stuff. Listen to music for me, vibing out and shit. Yeah. These songs of freedom. Yeah, I'm about to get ready. I'm about to go for a run before I have class because I got class at 2. And it's now 1:05. So hopefully I can try to run and make it in time back for me. So yeah, we're gonna go for a little quick run. I'm gonna take out with me. I done red and I'm exhausted. My nose running. It's hot as hell. I kind of regret wearing a sweater. Oh shit. It's mad hot. Let me fix this shit. Yeah, it's mad hot. I got like one arm in, one arm out. I'm pretty sure I'm sweating like OD. Yeah, I can't even see. But Jesus. What time is it? It's 1:39, so basically 1:40. I got 20 minutes to get home because I got class at 2. My whole back's sweating. I'm about to take the sweater off. I don't want to carry it. And, you know, I have this big old shirt on and stuff too. It's ridiculous. For me, it's in the 60s right now, that's why. But yeah, now we walking home. Yeah, I'm dying. You would think I have allergies. This is ridiculous. Damn, she turned 106. I don't know if y'all see it. Shorty turned 106. Oh, she should. For me. Yeah, so I might go do Prospect. Just cause for me. Y'all, I'm home now. It's like 1:54. I just took my molasses and stuff. I'm eating an apple. And as you can hear, class is in session. I'm so exhausted. But yeah. I'm rethinking going to Prospect low key, but I'm gonna try to do it. Right now, as you can see. What time is it? 4:31. And yeah, it's low-key hot as hell. But for some reason I'm just sitting in the sun. Cause I found this little wood thingy. I ain't wanna sit on the grass for real because I ain't bring nothing. But I'm right by the water. I bought this ginger shot right here. They said it's very concentrated. It's really, really concentrated. I bought this from the kids. Saying I've been good for the most part. I haven't really been feeling like I've been doing nothing for real though. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm for me. But for me, I'm still blessed and highly favored, you know what I'm saying? So it's like I just gotta, you know what I'm saying? I gotta do what I gotta do. I've been as of yesterday, you know what I'm saying, I low-key been feeling to go to the studio because y'all know I was writing songs like in the beginning and stuff like that. I haven't been doing that for real. So I want to get some things recorded, you know what I'm saying, like, and then see what it do because I'm not really doing nothing for real. So I'm gonna try to do that. For me, like, this is a nice scenery, like, this is a good vibe to just listen to music. Just be one with nature, like this is a really wild for real. Hey, look, it's just me and the ducks, or the geese. I don't know. See them? They come in. I see them. And there's a white one down there, where you can see it. Yeah. Oh, there's more over there too. Can't really see it. I mean, I'm the best looking chop person, you know. Put y'all right here so I can chill with me for a little minute. me what you see when you look at me. Yeah, my peoples, you locked in. So how was your day? You know what I'm saying? The little no people that be watching me. Ooh, the white one getting closer to me. Oh, look, there's a plane. I don't know if I can see it. Oh, there you go. It's looking a nice scenery, you know what I'm saying? Like, I like this. Y'all, I'm scared. Keep looking at me. Don't look at me, brother. Don't get any closer, brother. Don't get any closer, bro. You get any closer, I'm out of here. Back it up. Got them up close. For me, my mom just called me to say some food, so now we home. Me, if I'm looking enough, don't this look like a body? Two legs right there, and that's like the stomach. And then these two look like, you know what I'm saying, that thigh right now. This look like being bike strips. These the tacos. These things look Dwight. And I got this over there, so boom, bang, boom, bye. And I got a paper due tonight. Y'all probably won't see that because I'm really be locked in. So yeah.